Welcome to One Question at a Time, the SAT series. Question number 69. The graph of f of x is solvable. Which of the following represents the graph of f of x minus 3? So the given f of x have the graph look like that, go through the origin 0, 0. And now we have to find what represent the graph of f of x minus 3. So the transformation is happen inside of the functions, which is this one, horizontal translation, right C unit. Okay, so from x we add c, y keep the same. For example, we can find the origin right here is 0, 0. Now translation make it 0 at 3, comma 0. So it will shift the graph 3 units to the right. From 0, 0 to this is 0, comma 0 point, and then this point is right here is 3, comma 0, and then it do the same shape, but it's just shift to the right 3 unit every single point. Okay, so this one is shift to -3. The origin right here, right? That is the knot right here, should be here. So D is not, B is not. C is just flip over, right? It flip over the x-axis. So not. Then this one is shift up. From 0 shift up, right? So A is the right answer. How we find for B? B will be shift to the left 3 unit, right? So this is represent f of x, shift left, so add 3 right here. This is B. This is A. Now C, it flip over the x-axis. The reflections over x also is look like it can be reflected over the y as well. Okay, so this one could be that too. And for D, it's go down, so that is f of x minus 3. That is D. This is go up, so f of x plus 3. This is E. Thank you for participating in this series, and see you next time.